HVAC, auto repair, cleaning, logistics, plumbing, missed calls, staff that quits, and leads that ghosts. These businesses are drowning in problems everyone can see and nobody has fixed. Until now. Right now, I'm going to show you 5 boring businesses, the exact problems eating their profits, and the AI systems already solving them in 2026. But first, every market cycle has a window, a moment where one move separates the winners from everyone else. Right now, that move is AI, embedded in real business operations. Not ChatGPT for emails, not a chatbot on a website. Actual systems that replace the most expensive problems these owners face every day. And here is the truth nobody wants to say out loud. You have 12 to 18 months. After that, the early movers own the market. The rest play catch up forever. If you are watching this, you are early. Hit subscribe and like. This channel is where we build the system that puts you ahead before the window closes. Let's go. Business 1. Auto repair. Auto repair shops have 2 problems that bleed money silently. First, finding qualified technicians is the #1 concern for shop owners in 2026. Second, the ones they do have. Spending 15 to 20 minutes per job hunting down specs, torque settings, flow charts. Multiply that across 5 mechanics, across 30 jobs a day. That's hours of paid labor evaporated. I already built an AI agent trained on service manuals, repair guides, and internal SOPs for one auto repair shop. Mechanic asks a question, gets a precise structured answers in seconds. No Google, no manual, no waiting for a senior tech to be free. The result? Faster turnarounds, less burnout on your existing team. More cars through the door and your technicians work smarter and stop threatening to quit. Business 2. HVAC. HVAC owners have 2 seasons, panic and slow death. In summer and winter, the phone doesn't stop. In spring and fall, the cash flow dries up. Here's what makes it worse. During the busy season, they miss calls. A homeowner's AC dies on a Saturday afternoon. They call 3 companies. The first one that answers gets like 500-1500 job. Most HVAC owners aren't answering on Saturday afternoon. Their AI does. An AI dispatcher picks up every call, qualifies lead, books the appointment, updates the CRM. But here is the part that changed the whole business. In the off-season, the AI doesn't stop working, it follows up on old leads. Re-engaged past customers, fills the slow months. One system that's running 24/7, capturing every dollar that used to disappear. Business 3. Cleaning. Cleaning company owners have a quoting problem. Every new inquiry is 30 to 40 minutes of back and forth. Square footage, service type, frequency, custom pricing for $100 job, and when the quote finally goes out, half the leads don't convert. They shopped around, got a faster answer from someone else. An AI-powered calculator on their websites changes everything. Customer fills in square footage, frequency, service type, gets an instant quote, books directly, no phone call needed. One owner doubled her conversion rate after launching this. She didn't work more. She stopped bleeding leads to competitors who responded faster. And the clients who booked through the calculator, they have lower churn because the expectation was set clearly from the start. Business 4. Logistics. Logistics runs on margins measured in cents. A freight broker's entire job is the same task, repeated hundreds of times a week. Find load, find carrier, negotiate rate, send email, update system, and this all manually. And the moment rates shift or a carrier cancels, the whole chain breaks. Hours spent chasing updates, emails stacking up, cash flow stalling because a shipment got delayed and nobody caught it in time. AI doesn't just help here, it multiplies output. A system that monitors rates in real time, matches loads to the best carriers, drafts the emails and updates the TMS automatically. One broker scaled from 30 loads a week to 80. Same team, same hours, same overhead. Nearly double the revenue. That's not optimization, that's a different business. Business 5. Plumbing. Plumbing is emergency work. When a pipe bursts at 2 a.m., the customer doesn't compare prices. They call, and whoever answers gets the job. Most plumbing companies don't answer at 2 a.m. But here's what kills them twice. First, they missed the call, lost $4,800 job. Second, when they do get the job, the invoice goes out 3 days later, manually by email, and then they wait. An AI voice agent handles the call anytime, any day, collects the job details, alerts the on-call plumber, sends the customer confirmation, and the moment the job is marked complete, the invoice goes out automatically. No missed emergencies, no invoice chasing, no cash flow gaps from slow billing. Plumbers who run this system get paid faster and book the jobs their competitors slip through. Here's what Tuesday morning looks like now. You open your phone over coffee. The HVAC owner has 4 new appointments booked overnight, including 2 from the off-season follow-up. The plumber has 2 emergency jobs dispatched and invoiced while he slept. The cleaning owner has 6 quotes submitted and confirmed, 0 time spent. No revenue roller coasters, no burnout from rescheduling and chasing. The systems run. You own the business instead of the business owning you. If any of these businesses sound like yours, or if hiring people, managing cash flow, or just keeping up with leads is keeping up you at night, send me an email. Link is in the description. We build custom AI systems for business owners. No templates, no generic tools. Built for your workflow, your team, and your numbers. Let's see if we can fix the right problem for you. The businesses that build this now will own their market in 18 months, not because they're smarter, because they answer faster, quote faster, follow up longer. Your competitor doesn't need to beat you on price or quality, they just need to show up when you don't. The window is open. AI adoption in trades is still early, but it's moving fast. The ones who wait will spend next 5 years wondering where their customers went. Now you've got the 5 systems, but here is the next question every owner asks. How do I get these businesses to find me? Content on every platform, every week, without writing a single word. A few times a week, AI picks the topic, writes the post, generates the image or video, and sends it to your phone. You see it? You press approve, that's it. I built this exact system and broke it all down step by step. Watch it next.